Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we talk all about men's health, strength, and confidence. Today's topic is something a lot of men go through, but most are afraid to talk about: low libido, or low sex drive. If you've been feeling off, not in the mood, tired, disconnected, or less confident in your intimate life, you're not alone, and the good news? There are natural, safe, and effective ways to boost your libido without pills or side effects. So, stay tuned. Let's get to the root of the problem and fix it together. What is low libido? Low libido simply means a reduced interest in sex or intimacy. It doesn't mean you're broken, it just means something is off in your body, mind, or lifestyle. Some men experience this occasionally, others go through it for months or years. But the first step is understanding what's causing it. Common causes of low libido. Here are the most common reasons men experience low libido. 1. Hormonal imbalance, low testosterone. Testosterone is your male hormone. When it drops, so does your sex drive. 2. Stress and anxiety. When your mind is under pressure, your body shuts down desire. 3. Poor sleep bad. Sleep lowers testosterone and energy. Both are needed for a healthy sex drive. 4. Unhealthy diet. Too much junk food, sugar, or alcohol can mess up your hormones. 5. Depression or emotional health. Mental health plays a big role in libido. When you don't feel good, desire disappears. 6. Relationship issues. Emotional disconnection or tension with your partner can reduce interest in sex. 7. Medications. Some drugs, especially antidepressants or blood pressure meds, can lower libido as a side effect. But now, let's talk about how to turn things around. Naturally, natural solutions that work. Here's a step-by-step plan to bring your libido back, naturally, safely, and effectively. Step 1. Boost testosterone. Naturally. Your sex drive and testosterone go hand in hand. Here's how to raise it naturally. Lift weights 3 to 4 times a week. Compound moves like squats, deadlifts, push-ups. Eat healthy fats, olive oil, eggs, avocados. Get sunlight, vitamin D. D improves testosterone. Avoid processed food, sugar, and soy. Lose belly fat. It turns testosterone into estrogen. Testosterone is the fuel. When it rises, your desire returns. Step 2. Improve blood flow. Good circulation equals better function down there. Do this to improve blood flow. Exercise daily. Even walking counts. Eat foods like beets, garlic, spinach, and dark chocolate. Stay hydrated. Water helps circulation. Limit alcohol and smoking. They hurt your blood vessels. Think of blood flow like electricity. If it's not flowing, nothing turns on. Step 3. Manage stress, and mental health. Stress kills your desire, mentally and physically. Here's how to lower it. Practice deep breathing, 5 minutes a day. Try meditation or prayer. Get outdoors, walk in nature, laugh more, watch comedy, or be around fun people. Limit news, social media, or toxic environments. When you relax your mind, your body follows. Step 4. Fix your sleep. Sleep is when your body heals, resets, and produces testosterone. Tips. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Sleep in a dark, cool room. Avoid phone, stash screens 1 hour before bed. Don't eat heavy meals late at night. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, daily. Bad sleep, low energy, low mood, low libido. Step 5. Eat libido. Boosting foods. Certain foods help your hormones and blood flow. Eat more of avocados, rich in healthy fat. Oysters, high in zinc, great for testosterone. Dark chocolate increases blood flow. Watermelon contains citrulline, improves circulation. Pumpkin seeds, zinc plus magnesium, sock, hormone health. Pomegranate juice, great for heart and blood flow. These are nature's little helpers. Step 6. Try natural supplements, optional. Always talk to a doctor. First, some natural herbs and supplements can support libido. Ashwagandha, reduces stress, supports testosterone, maca root, boosts mood and desire, tonkat ali, increases free testosterone, zinc plus magnesium, helps hormone balance fenugreek, improves libido and energy. Always use quality brands and check with your doctor if you have health conditions. Reconnect with your partner. Sometimes the issue isn't physical, it's emotional. If you're in a relationship, try having open, honest conversations, spending more time together without distractions, showing physical affection, not just sexual, being vulnerable and building trust. A strong emotional connection can reignite desire. Recap and simple action plan. Let's quickly recap everything. Boost testosterone with exercise, sun, and diet. Improve blood flow with movement and circulation, foods. Reduce stress and improve mental health. Fix your sleep. It's your secret weapon. Eat libido-boosting foods every day. Consider safe supplements with your doctor's advice. Reconnect emotionally with your partner. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small, one habit at a time. Stay consistent. You'll feel the difference in weeks, maybe even days. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on men's health, hormones, and confidence. Drop a comment. What natural solution has helped you most? Or, what do you want to try next? Remember, low libido is common, but it's fixable. Take care of your body, mind, and emotions, and your desire will return stronger than ever. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and take control of your life.